Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Fire Sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Ayan, take only what resonates sa kasi hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. Kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, nakaka-resonate, wag natin ipilit dahil maaaring may ibang taong nangangailangan ng messages na ito. At kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, maaaring may ibang taong makaka-relate dito, okay? And check mo na lang yung ibang videos. Okay, please do follow me on TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Ayan. And also yung aking friend Jing Tarot Trader. Paki-search na lang siya, guys. YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok meron siya. Paki-search na lang. Jing Tarot Trader. Okay, sir. So, what do we have here for a fire sign? Messages for fire sign, please. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so meron tayo dito Nine of Swords, the Sun, the King of Swords, okay, and the Three of Cups. Someone here is, ito yung nakikita natin as a friend or maybe a friend or a past person. Nakikita natin na pag may problema ka, masaya siya. And I do feel like kaya siya masaya kasi parang problema yun regarding a third person. So, kung may problema ka regarding a third person or halimbawa, no? Let's put it this way, no? Pwedeng ngayon ay kasalukuyang meron kang relasyon. And then there's this person, nagpapakita siya as the Seven of Wands. Pwedeng busy or parang wala siyang pakialam sa'yo, kuno, pero andyan pala siya nakaantabay sa istorya ng buhay mo. And then once na nagkakaroon ka ng problema regarding your third person, regarding your person, itong person na ito, masaya siya kasi yun yung gusto niya mangyari magkaroon kayo ng problema sa relationship nyo. And then with the Three of Cups, maaring ito kasing person na ito, pwedeng feeling niya maaaring magkaroon ng reconciliation sa inyo kung magkakaroon ng problema sa inyo ng person na maaaring kakonect mo ngayon, okay? And tell me about this, please. Spirit guides, angel guides. Tell me about this. Okay, so yung person na ito, showing here as the Ten of Wands and the Wheel of Fortune, the Two of Swords. I feel like, marami siyang obligasyon ngayon medyo nahihirapan siya actually. Maaring may malaking pagbabago nangyayari ngayon sa buhay niya. And nagkakaroon ng distance sa inyo ng person na ito with the Ten of Swords. With the Two of Swords. And then with the world, nakakita tayo dito ng distance or distansya dito sa taong ito. Okay? Pero yun nga, gusto niya ng reconciliation. Gusto niya ng pagpabalik. This could be a past person, an ex kind of energy, or maybe a friend na parang pwedeng friend siya na kaya lang may distance sa inyo is because of the person na kakonect mo ngayon. Pwedeng hindi pabor itong person na ito sa pagkakaibigan ninyo, pwedeng ganon. So, parang kaya siya masaya na kung just in case magkakaproblema kayo ng person mo, nandyan siya, you know. And what is the emotion? Ano yung emotion ng taong ito towards you? Okay, so you do have here the Nine of Wands. So, ayun yung nakikita niya. Pinakamalaking balakid ay yung person mo, no? Nakakonect ngayon. So, if you're not dealing with someone, pwedeng, kung wala kang karelasyon ngayon, maybe ang tinutukoy dito is maybe your family or your career. Basta there's something in between the two of you. sa pagitan ninyong dalawa, may nagiging hadlang, may nagiging boundary. So, that could be another person or a family na kaya hindi pwede yung connection ninyo or pagkakaibigan ninyo or yung connection ninyong dalawa as a lover is because of this person na nasa pagitan ninyo. And then the Queen of Wands, ayan, yung nararamdaman, your person is showing is the Queen of Wands, an advisor, a person na gusto kang kausapin. And itong person na ito, yung nararamdaman niya ngayon with the Four of Pentacles is sobrang maingat siya. Sobrang maingat siya. Kasi with the Queen of Cups, pwedeng this person has a lot of emotions para sa'yo. Mahal ka niya or importante ka para sa kanya. It's like you are a very special person para sa kanya. And with the Ten of Swords, pwedeng nasasaktan siya ngayon, nahihirapan siya ngayon regarding sa situation ninyo dahil gustuhin man niya magkaroon ng reconciliation, pwede ngayon kailangan niya magdesisyon ng makakabuti para sa lahat. Okay? So, yeah, the Eight of Swords is here. So, ayan, punong-puno ng pagka-stuck sa sitwasyon, either ikaw or siya. Stuck siya in a way na hindi siya basta-basta pwedeng gumawa ng action patungo sa'yo dahil pwedeng yun nga, may mga magagalit, may mga maapektuhan, may mga taong hindi gusto itong connection ninyo. Okay? And what will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa nitong taong to? What will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa nitong taong to? You do have here the Hermit. The Hermit is here. Ten of Cups, Page of Cups, and the Magician. Bottom of the deck is a Three of Wands, Three of Pentacles, the World. Sa nakikita natin, maybe in the future, there's something na may kinalaman sa family or home. Ayan, ang gagawain, which is with the Magician, could be focusing on may kinalaman sa mga gamit So, maybe may mga iaayos sa tahanan, sa bahay, or improvements, more on improvements sa home. And I can see na itong mga improvements na ito ang makakatulong para magkaroon ng growth sa tahanan. So, more on improvements ang gagawin mo in the future. And maybe yung iba may kinalaman sa pag-aayos sa sarili, fixing yourself. More on focusing sa paglilinis or tanggal ng mga bagay na hindi makakabuti sa'yo. Maybe regarding your health, mas mag-i-improve. Regarding your finances, pwedeng gano'n. Nandun yung focus mo in the near future. And tell me about the future pagdating sa love. The Moon is here and the Hierophant, and then that's two major arcana. And we do have here the Ace of Cups. Yan, nanatiling spiritual yung connection ng iba sa inyo in the near future, because there's a lot of lesson na kailangan matutunan. And with the Hierophant, ayan, I am feeling like pwedeng nandun yung pagpapahalaga sa connection ng bawat isa, pero with the Ace of Cups, nandun pa rin naman yung love, but then, I feel like may disconnection in a way na may pagkakalayo, but may maririnig ka na news regarding this person in the near future. And tell me about this. The Eight of Wands is here. So, maybe kung hindi man regarding sa kanya, yung news regarding ito sa person, sa person na kakilala ng person mo. So, pwede nga na news about these people or person na may maybe closeness or maybe family member ng person na ito. Yan, I can see you hearing a news regarding these people. Okay? And nandun pa rin yung paghihintay nitong person na ito with the Nine of Cups. I can see success para sa'yo, but it will be a surprise. Yung magugulat ka na lang na-achieve mo yung isang bagay na hindi mo, this is like, may gift ang universe for you na pine-prepare. So, might be, you will start to focus on yourself. Kasi pag yung time na kailangan mo nang ma-receive itong blessings na ito, kailangan handang-handa ka na. So, I can see success for you in the near future. Pero, kailangan maging ready ka muna sa ngayon. Yan. So, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.